Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys my mini ear hair clips. Now, I wore these to Disney World. I wore these to Animal Kingdom. What I love about these is this animal print bow here. I love that. I think that is so cute. And I love this sequence. It's well made, so good quality. The sequence isn't falling out. And these clips stand upright. So you can just clip them into your hair and they sit upright on your head. So it's a fun way, like if you're sensitive to headbands, this is a fun way to do it. You can also put these on little girls too, because you know, if they tend to take off their headbands or things like that, then these are a good way to have them have mini ears without the headband. So I have found these to be super cute. They come in a package of 2, so you get 2 different ones. And these were one of my ones that I got, and I have been in love with them, and I think they are so adorable. So if you're looking for an alternative to a headband, I think these are a really good option. And that's my point of view.